KCR Inc. has been providing HVAC, residential, and commercial heating and air conditioning services, restaurant equipment, preventative maintenance, 24-hour emergency service, ductless systems, and more for over 40 years in the Framingham area. Don't hesitate to call KCR Inc. We are committed to your satisfaction. Call us today